Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux IQ-Touch dryer and on the display it's giving you an EA5 error and you're trying to figure out what this error is and what you need to do in order to fix it. So first of all, just real quick, what it is that the dryer is trying to tell you that its electronic control board is defective, or it's sensing itself being defective. So what you might end up needing to do is to replace the control board. We'll talk about that in just a second. But before you do that, you want to go ahead and just do a hard restart on your dryer, which is you're going to want to turn it off and disconnect it from power completely. So unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit for a full 5 minutes. And after those 5 minutes are up, then you can restore power and see if that doesn't clear out the error. Now, if it doesn't clear out the error, then you're going to want to replace the electronic control board. And I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a specific tutorial in terms of how to replace an electronic control board in your dryer.